Thank you for tuning in to this edition of the VULCAN Report. This VULCAN Report is an intraday report for trading on October the 26th, 2016. You're looking at a chart of Bitcoin. This is a red alert broadcast. If you are in the stock market, you need to get out of the stock market right now. Everyone listening to the sound of my voice, get out of the market now. This is a red alert. You're looking at GBTC, which follows Bitcoin. This is showing you that the rapid rise in Bitcoin is leading and pointing to an imminent crash in the U.S. stock market of mammoth proportions. I'm telling you, I am encouraging you, if you've been following the VULCAN Report and you look up to the VULCAN Report, that you need to take your money out of the bank, you need to put it under your mattress, make sure you have your physical gold and silver coins, and you need...
Hey, give me that! Give me that mic! Chicken Little, what have I told you about playing on the phone? Give me that! Get out of here! I apologize for that, ladies and gentlemen. From time to time, Chicken Little, aka Chicken Fearmonger, aka the Nutcase, likes to take my mic and scare everybody to death and tell you that the sky is falling. Well, the sky is not falling, and prices are not falling either, and I apologize for that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the broadcast. I don't know how he got in here. I don't know. All the fear, I'm just tired of it. I'll deal with him later. I think we're going to make chicken nuggets out of him or something. Okay. He is right, though. You are watching a chart of the Bitcoin. And as you can see here, it's in the Kumo cloud, all right? And it's, it's catching a bid here on the daily chart. But like I've taught you guys before, you really can't trust the price action. Look what happened last time we ramped up within the cloud, and then you came crashing down and head faked you and came back again. So it's just constant head fakery until we get a direction. And it's also showing overbought. Last time we overbought, we corrected. So just keep that in mind going forward. All right, when you look at the chart of the US dollar, you see they've really been just defending this dollar. They're really trying to take it up to test that par. It made it up to 99.09. This is some powerful stuff. Now it's testing the support like it did back here on October the 20th. So this leads to the next upward thrust to get it up to par, which is 100. All right. Watch your markets. This strong dollar is going to show you what's happening in the currency environment. Bitcoin is catching a bid off this as well. Just like I told you, the US dollar and Bitcoin are married. They're secretly married. They're husband and wife. And that's just how it is. All right. As goes the US dollar, goes Bitcoin. I've already done numerous videos showing you where that is the case. Today is no different. All right, now looking at the Nasdaq, ticker symbol TQQQ. We have filled the gap this morning, and now the market's rallying up. So red alert on that. If you are short the Nasdaq 100 in any capacity, be on alert. You could be in trouble. I know what the news is saying about Apple and earnings and blah blah blah. Right now we're looking at the TQQQ, which is the 3X ETF that tracks the Nasdaq 100. I am telling you right now, this is powerful. That 130-142 recent high here is definitely in play. And just like I've been telling you, look, here's that ramp. It's about to explode higher. That's all I got to say. The momentum is also pointing that way. You can see here how it's starting to curve, meaning that the sell-off is finishing up here. And it's about to explode higher. Guard your grill is all I got to say. Taking a look now at the financial sector. Looking at the FAS, you can see now it filled its gap too. You gapped up here, closed that gap yesterday, and now it's ready to resume back up again. So $30 is the first stop. On our way to 31, taking out this weak high here. Guard your grill if you are shorting the FAS right now. I know it's right here at the edge of the Kumo cloud of death. but because we had price action on the outside of that, we had a spike high here, we had a close outside of it here. Today should be able to close it outside of the cloud, and if we get a close today outside the cloud, that bodes well for very powerful upside momentum. So you definitely want to take care and caution in that regard. On the weekly chart, you can see things a little bit different. See, on the weekly chart, you can see the FAS is already, well outside of its Kumo cloud. Negative post-wave position, but the momentum is already pointing higher. So you can see here where I was saying how the weak high back here is definitely in play and in jeopardy of being taken out. All right, and here's the gold. As you can see, it's slowly just like the trajectory I was showing you, how it's slowly doing that. It's back above its trend line here. So it's flirting with breaking out through that first resistance level that I've been telling you about. It's right here. Second resistance is right here. So it's following the course here. Strong ramp coming, and followed by this is looking powerful. Like I said, it's moving along the lines just as I predicted and told you that it was going to do. So once we clear this first cascade here and get above the 1322 handle, it's off to the races. So this one's still, watching it as it's moving right here, but keep your eyes open. All right, you just saw the chart of gold. Now here's silver. Silver is on high red alert for an explosive upside rally. Stronger than gold, 2 to 3 times more powerful than gold. Look at this ramp. This is amazing. This could catapult the silver in and of itself north of $25 an ounce from where it is today at 17. This is a red alert on the silver for an explosive upside rally coming into silver. Here's USLV. See, it's breaking outside of the Kumo cloud retracement from an elongated negative pulse wave position. All right, huge correction. Okay, but look where you are, and look at this enormous ramp on the USLV. This should be able to push this north of $30, maybe even $35. High arching first and oh my goodness, this is looking amazing. Upside potential coming for silver. Everybody wants to know what's going on in AG. Well, look at the series of ramps you got coming in the AG. Powerful, powerful, powerful. Once it hits the first price inflection point of $20 a share, this is going to explode. So just watch how it's coming. This is an enormous ramp for future growth in the AG. Pretty Ricky's what they call him, and he's looking prettier every day. Nice ramp here. All right, this one should be able to push north of $12 a share. Once it breaks that $12 psychological resistance, it's off to the races on Pretty Ricky. And Pretty Ricky, when it's trending and it's powerful. The next leg up for this should definitely put it north of $20 with no problem. So the miners have had a nice correction overall, but I'm saying to you today, don't believe the hype. Get ready to back up the trucks on these miners, and you will know when, because I've given you the price inflection points. That's what it is. All right, so more videos to come. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I will close with this. Everybody send your positive vibes and prayers to V, the guerrilla economist, who is under the weather, and we just pray for his quick, speedy healing and recovery. All right, peace.